Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log out from your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here. Now click settings. And here you will find log out. Click on it and you will directly log out, and that's it. That's how to log out on your account from your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.